Yo, what's up guys, how you all doing? I'm Paul the Tech Giant, and today I'm going to be doing a gaming test with this 55-inch LG CS OLED and the Xbox Series X. Now essentially this LG CS is a LG C1 with the very latest processor for 2022, which is the Alpha 9 Gen 5 processor, and as you can see, this thing does absolutely everything. So as we can see, it says your TV supports 4K UHD at 120 Hz. Playing games, your TV setup supports up to native 4K at 120 frames per second, and your TV supports Dolby Vision for gaming at 4K 120. And as you can see, literally every single thing is ticked. So yeah, you're not being short-whacked with anything with this TV, because it also has 4 HDMI 2.1s, which are good for that 4K 120. Right, so what we're going to do, we're going to quickly just test out a few different games, give you an overall feel of what this TV is like, and even just on this screen, that looks absolutely mega. We got the nice dark areas there, which are the OLED's like party piece with nice bright areas there. So anyway, let's fire up this game and crack on. Okie dokie then, so we are into the game, and yeah, we got that torch lit up there, and that looks really nice and bright. So even though this is LG's new, basically budget OLED TV, the picture is just absolutely stunning. You wouldn't think that this is a budget sort of OLED. Now when I say budget, don't get me wrong, it's still a considered purchase, but compared to the rest of the range, you know, this thing is an absolute steal. Recently we ran an offer on my channel where you could pick this up here in the UK, 55-inch version for 799 quid, which was just a mental price. So yeah, it is a wicked TV for the money. Now feedback has been really positive as well about this TV. Again, lots of people who've purchased that TV with my code has since come back, they've set the TV up, and they have just been so grateful to me for me recommending this TV. And yeah, I highly recommend this TV. It is honestly that good. Now I just want to quickly say a big thanks to the guys at box.co.uk who were kind enough to send over this TV for testing. And if you want to pick up one for yourselves, then please go and check out my link in the description. It is an affiliate link, so if you use that, you'll put a few pence back in my pocket, but you'd be doing yourself a favour as well, because TVs bought from Box, many of them come with a free 5-year protection plan included, free delivery, and they will price match all the major competitors. So please go check them out. Now just take a look at this, it's absolutely beautiful. Like I said before, the brightness coming off that torch is really immense, especially for a budget OLED again. Just looks absolutely mental. Again, dark areas looking nice, we're not getting any wishy-washy scenes going on here. It's just what OLEDs are all about. And if you have got one of these OLEDs, do us a favour, come through in the comments section and let people know what you think of this TV. You know, I could stand there all day saying this, that and the other, but if you've got other customers who are saying it's a great TV, more than likely it's a great TV. Now this is just an intro to a game, but again, look how dark those black levels are. How they should be. Again, with that, nice and dark, nice and bright, mint. Breathe. That looks absolutely nuts. And this is hardly a brand new game either.
I need someone to show me my place in all this.
Right, so a bit of Lego Star Wars now then. Just look at it. Look at those black bars. Proper black, not grey, black. Right, so we're up and running with the game now then, and I think it's a good opportunity to show you the game dashboard on this TV, which is a handy feature if you are new to these TVs. So one simple button press on the remote control, and it gets up information about the game that we are playing. So we've got frames per second, not always 100% accurate, that if I'm being totally honest. It says about the VRR, black stabilizer, latency mode, because this TV does support low latency mode, which is very handy indeed if you know what that is. Well, and if you don't, simply means that this TV, once connected up to a console, will kick into the low latency mode and give you the lowest latency available. Just looks mental. Please tell me if I'm wrong. I think that looks so good. Just getting a little bit more information up in this top right hand corner just there about what is supposedly going on. But I think it looks so nice and crisp. Let me know in the comment section as well. Are you a fan of these Lego games? Dolby Vision there up in the top right hand corner. So yes, Dolby Vision for gaming. Right then, cracking on with this game. New one, we've never played this one, have we, mate? That's looking really nice as well. A little bit blown out there. That's my settings, I think, on the camera. So just have to excuse those. It's a little bit hard to balance up these cameras with these TVs. So yeah, just take the picture with a bit of a pinch of salt. My God, the detail on that kid's face looked mental.
You're going too fast for me.
Fair play to anyone who's getting a TV like this over the Christmas period. I bet it's going to be exciting times, especially if you never had an OLED TV before. You are definitely in for a treat.
I really should get back to studying.
Come on, we had a long journey today.
Now what I'm going to do is just get up our picture settings a second, just to show you that we are playing in Dolby Vision. So this is a Plague Tale. Yeah, a Plague Tale.
I'm going to turn you into a beetle.
Again, the details on that outfit there, really, really nice.
Yes.
It's lovely on that river there, that water flowing down. So, if you are wondering, is the LG CS OLED any good for gaming? Well, simple answer is most definitely. To be honest, there isn't much more that you could ask out of a budget OLED TV. So we've got those 4 HDMI 2.1s, which are good for 4K 120. So you are going to be well future-proof with this TV. Even some of the bigger rival TV manufacturers only have 2. This has 4. So you're good for your Xbox, your PlayStation 5, and a couple of other future-proof devices. Now there's something else I want to show you guys about this TV. Oh, that looks absolutely mint. Look at that, really, really nice. So let's get up the game dashboard again, and we're going to go to the game optimizer settings.
I should go now. I'm late for work.
And in here, if we scroll down, we can see VRR and G-Sync and AMD FreeSync Premium. So yeah, again, we are ticking all the boxes. Literally, I can't think of what else that you could want out of this TV for when it comes to console gaming. Well, there you have it then, guys. That was a brief demonstration of the 2022 LG CS OLED and the Xbox Series X. Now, if you enjoyed this video today, do us a favour, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you already haven't, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye for now.